Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing this Isolator cabinet by Getinge. It is their Calhene model, of course. It has a curtain around it, large opening on this end. We're not very familiar with this particular one. It's warming up right now. Up here you'll see for your sterilizing agent valve, inlets, outlets for that. Controls are from the factory. As you see it right now, it's measuring water column inches there, and it's building pressure, or trying to build pressure inside the chamber. There's a little airlock system, I guess, here on the end. Of course, you see 3 gloves internally. This is how it came to us, a couple little ports here for gas inlets or other inert additions. You're going to see this in our inventory under our lab equipment. Also has internal lighting as well. 120 volts what we're operating on. We do hope you visit our website if you're looking for anything in process and packaging machinery at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.